We turn our attention now to St. Mary, where there are also calls for help. Our news team went to several communities hard hit by Hurricane Melissa. Krista Campbell has the details.
At 2 youth me ever go to school in a bro. And see a girl Melissa come mash up my things, so I don't know where I go on now.
Downed trees blocking roadways and roofless buildings across St. Mary as residents in several communities appeal for help to recover from the damage Hurricane Melissa left behind. The rebuilding has already begun across communities, but in Bottom Albany, one resident said a tractor is needed to move the work along more quickly.
A lot of tree drop down upon the house them. Persons have zinc that bend up and so forth. And overall, we didn't have a lot of rain or any flooding. It's just the tree, them were brought down is the problem. And the roof, them need to be fixed.
Known for banana production, a crop that does not stand up well to strong winds, farmers in St. Mary weren't spared Melissa's fury. Livestock farmers are also reeling.
My chickens are gone. Out of 200 chickens, I have about 50 there. If you go down there now, you can see the chickens, the dead chickens in bags and all of that. And when you check the roof, you can see that we are looking up in the sky.
At a cook shop and bar in Clonmel,
My gas gone, my rice gone, my flour gone, how much liquor me have in this gone, man. Guineas. You can't see that place already, all I think them gone, man.
How was the breeze staying in that place right now, man? You start from about 1 o'clock and not done till about 11:30, 12 o'clock in the start. So we people get a lick, man. Yeah, you pass to and see. We get a lick, man. Who want help?
Leeton East shared his brush with death.
Be down there and lay down for the bed. And one man say move off for the bed and go on the next side. When we go on the next side and take a seat in a chair, me a blood that me as a last I guide me star. Because I do want me to right step, me mash up. Life gone, you know.
But in the midst of the mayhem, this concession.
It could be worse, but give thanks. Yeah? A lot of players smash up still because boyfriend players smash up on them something there. But give thanks to life, you know? God on time. Well, me just get wet. Me not get no losses, just wet. Things then wet up and...
Part of the roof blow
yeah, and part of the roof blow off.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
In the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, residents of East Bay Drive in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine, are counting their losses after floodwaters swept through the community. Antonia Atkinson has that story.
Roofs gone, mattresses soaked, a capsized boat. How many missing their boats? Hard to tell. And a woman mopping her floors, a clear sign that water had invaded her home. Around her, neighbors could be seen working to clean up, trying to salvage what they can. This is just one example of the widespread damage left behind as Hurricane Melissa swept through East Bay Drive in Old Harbour Bay, St. Catherine. Flood waters rushed through the community, leaving many residents devastated, unsure of how or where to start over. Animals were amongst those affected.
Water from roof and water from ground. The sea come right over in my house, miss. Right over, flood out the whole compartment. When I tell you if a bus, the block so that the water and sweep out the water so the water can run right through the house, me I tell you. You see all in my bathroom, miss? It ice so. Because the bathroom is lower than the room, you know. So it full up a little part in the bathroom and flood it right over. Suppose you say water, miss.
All of the sea and everything come in. But thank God we're alive and we just have to come and pick up the pieces. The hood is gone because we don't have any pot of sea. The boat underwater, some of them mash up. Everything gone for us. So we just have to just start all over again.
Now, standing behind me, you can see a fisherman fixing his boat, and a lot of them were impacted by the Hurricane Melissa. Now, I spoke to one resident. He told me about the damage that he had on his boat, and he explained what he would need and for other community members that were also flooded out.
It was in the mangrove there, because it's the best place to me for all these hurricanes. I put it there all the while. But this time, something go bad. The mangrove them tore down, lock it down under the water, and the water come over. So all of them board there, them have to change off because them can't work like that. We just send them do a little quick repair just to go out there go hustle because the youth them die hard. We need material like fiberglass liquid, board, screw, the galvanized screw them, matting. As I said, liquid, money to pay people for work on it because me can't do it.
Residents are now appealing for assistance as cleanup and recovery efforts continue. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.